Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and top-notch product recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of household maintenance with a must-have solution for every kitchen: the Vacplus Drain Clog Remover. If you've ever experienced the frustration of a clogged sink or slow-draining pipes, you know how essential it is to have a reliable drain cleaner on hand. And let me tell you, after thorough research and testing, we found the best of the best: the Vacplus Drain Clog Remover. What makes this product stand out from the rest? Let's break it down. First off, the Vacplus Drain Clog Remover features a powerful formula designed to tackle even the toughest clogs caused by hair, food waste, grease, and more. But what really sets it apart is its ease of use. With individually wrapped powder packs, you can say goodbye to messy liquids and hello to convenience. Simply pour a pack down the drain, add hot water, and let it work its magic. Don't just take my word for it, customers rave about its effectiveness. Just listen to what Debbie Rising had to say: "Both of my sinks worked better than ever before." And Sarah Rosen couldn't agree more. This magical powder worked way better than its competitors. Now, I know what you're thinking: powerful drain cleaner, is it safe? Absolutely. Vacplus uses mild ingredients that are gentle on pipes and septic systems, so you can tackle clogs without worrying about damage. And the best part? It's not just for kitchen sinks. Whether it's your bathroom tub, shower, or even RV drains, Vacplus has got you covered. It's versatile, effective, and a must-have for every household. So, if you're tired of dealing with stubborn clogs and slow drains, do yourself a favor and grab the Vacplus Drain Clog Remover today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching Product Critique, your trusted source for all things product related. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Until next time.